Hi, so today I actually received from Influenza a Vicks Mini filter-free cool mist humidifier. And this one's actually pretty cool. There's no filter cleaning or anything like that. So here, I'm going to open the box. So here's like your guide and everything. And here it goes. So this is what was inside. Here's the humidifier. It's very petite in size, which is pretty good. Then it also came with some extra coupons for the refill packs. Here's actually, they gave one refill for the Vapo pads. This is, I guess, the original scent, the Vicks. They also have a scent that you can use to help you go to sleep as well. And, you know, here's like the guidebook. Can't wait to try this baby out. Hopefully now I'll have a better sleep along with my son and no more nosebleeds. All right, thank you. And thank you, Influenza. This is definitely of great use.